Since that kill switch, only thing I rap about is real shit. All these I can't deal with. It's gonna make my shooters do it real quick. Have my shooter a band. I'ma have my man.
What's up, 38 gang? Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Looking like utility work.
I got sold the wrong springs from Summit Racing. So, as y'all see from the title and the thumbnail, listen, I've been driving this car for the last year on some forward springs, 4 Eibach lower springs, and I had so many, so basically when I turned my steering wheel, I was getting like some knocking noise, so I changed the tie rods on the whole front suspension, and then I still have some knocking, and then I did the brakes and rotors, still had the knocking, then I changed, I got a diagnostic, from Dodge, and they told me that it was the rack and pin, so they replaced that because the car is on warranty. And then if I would have known that from the jump, that I forgot all about my warranty, so I was buying parts that I probably had on a warranty. Like, I don't know, brakes and rotors are not on warranty, but the tie rods and control arm is. And long story short, we here, I unwrapped the car a little bit, I kept the black top. The car still looks great. I need to change the tires, I need to wash. The weather in Ohio sucks, so yeah, we right now I'm at the shop about to just get this whole problem fixed. And Summit Racing supplied the right part for me. I'm gonna try to get them to actually pay for this too, because I mean that's the least I could do, bro. Y'all ain't gotta pay for all the stuff in the past, but at least try to pay for the stuff that's all messed up. Because you know when you go to Summit Racing, you walk in the door, they already at the register. They look up the part for you, they send that to the back, and the back get the part for you. It's not under my control, so if I would have noticed that sooner, I would have been fixed that. Long story short, let's get into this video, guys. Once I get the parts back, I'm gonna slide the car a little bit, show y'all what it looks like again. It should be changed. This is the stance right now. This is the stance. It should be changed, because I even thought that didn't look right. I thought it should be, if anything, it'd be lower like that, and the front how it is in the front and the back. I just thought it was a different stance, so it should be different. I'm gonna unbox this and show y'all what it looked like, and we're gonna get into this video a little bit more. Yeah. He like run that shit, bro. What you think?
In a Tesla.
He gonna beat me, right? He gonna beat me, cause I ain't got no tires. Live out here or something? Remember I had the Jeep when we ran. Hey, that's why I'm like, pull this bitch out. How the fuck you feel up on me, bro? Shit, I just happened to see. We just about to make a YouTube video.
This nigga still ain't getting no tires on this.
No, I have. I just burning them with this up, driving around.
Going crazy in this motherfucker for real.
Yeah, so this
I'm Jesus Saves Cars.
Yeah, he do YouTube and
So
shit.
check me out, I do Mopar content.
He got, tell him all the rules.
Shit, I got the Challenger, the Super Stock, I got the Trackhawk, I got the 392G,
he ain't lying.
and I got a 300 with a 392 swap.
That's why I met him before, and when he put up, I'm like, you know, I play basketball with so many people. I'm like, man, I know I hoop with you or something. Like, that's why I said that. I'm like, oh man, but shit, yeah, like, bro, that's what we doing right now. We just trying to record and shit, because I had got the lower springs like changed all this stuff, and it's giving me like a knocking noise, so I can't figure out what it is. So this video right here was just like me about to just like give a like review of like how the stands look, because it was lower in the front.
Did you just swap the springs?
Yeah, it was they got me the wrong springs. They were some forward springs, and like they had the car like slammed in the front and the back, and it was just giving me all type of knocking noises and stuff. It's still doing it. I just got the right springs put on, and now it's like it's a more even stance and stuff.
Did you check the strut tower housing?
No, I just had.
What is it doing? And in the front or the rear?
Yeah, it's in the front. I can show you. It's like that too, buddy.
I bet you was probably binding on the strut housing. The strut at the bottom of the strip. See where the springs at? At the very bottom.
You talking about like up in here, right? Up there, right? Like up in here. Like with my arm at?
Can't get there. Hold on. It's like put your hand right here.
slap it.
Yeah, they put your hand where mine. Oh, I see it right here.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, I see it.
That's where that bitch needs to be greased. Guaranteed. That's where it's hitting at. Burn the whip.
Yeah.
Guaranteed. It's probably just ain't seated.
They changed the rack and pinion on tie rods, making rust. And I I'm at this point, we're taking it back on the 17th of God. It seems like yeah, they don't
hell yeah.
They don't no, the dealer didn't put the pins on, but the dealer don't die not.
Yeah, I thought it was. I was just pushing.
But yeah, you know you're about to slow me in that Tesla, bro. What's probably Hey, that was fire. Hey. Oh, yeah. That was fire, bro. I was driving that bitch too. Yeah. You was scared?
Camber is poking the wheel out. The caster is poking it in.
Okay.
So when it's cambered out, the wheel is gonna go like this.
So look.
why
Because you
got
see it, because I thought I seen it like going in, like from like if you look
I mean,
at
I
it.
see what you're saying.
Yeah, like if
the camber, it would change because the suspension angle.
Yeah.
If they didn't mark where they took the struts out, because like at the
I was
top
trying to
of the
actually what
strut,
happened.
you got adjustment to go this way or that way.
Okay.
I mean, it's only like
Yeah.
millimeters, but those millimeters make a difference.
Yeah.
That's gonna throw your camber off.
Yeah.
Once
And if it's off, you can fuck up the right though, right?
Not really.
Not really,
It would
okay.
be eating time.
Okay.
If anything.
I see, okay.
You would get more eaten to the inside of the tree.
That's
See how it's already starting
yeah.
to vary.
Yeah, I
Should
see
be
it.
wear and eat, not you know what I'm saying?
So I definitely need an alignment, man.
But this could potentially be from you just
So just to go over that one more time, you
Locking
said
doing donuts.
the camper is the what goes out.
the camber goes out, the caster goes in.
Okay.
So just remember that. Like if you was racing at a racetrack or something, say you doing like a road,
Yeah.
and you doing more laps, you want to put the camber out.
Oh,
If you was
okay.
doing more rights, you want to put the caster in.
That's the stuff I haven't got that far into yet, but I would like to get on the track and get the car. I had put the super tins on it, like these mufflers. They looking rusty now. The flow masters, they looking a little bit. I might just cut them out and just say forget it, like a spray tan.
I would.
Yeah. Okay. Can you give me like a reason why would you say it's the springs?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I've lowered 4 cars.
Yeah.
Each one had the same thing.
Okay.
When you lower a car and you don't change out literally everything, or you get like BCs, like really expensive coilovers,
Let's see.
it's gonna clunk and it's gonna make noise. It's because these springs,
Okay.
obviously when you turn the wheel,
Yeah.
it's gonna twist. See that? See how it's twisted?
Yeah, I'm looking.
Okay. So when you're making turns like that, it's gonna bind.
Okay.
And if it's not the certain height that's supposed to be,
All right, 38 game. I wanted to take a second to step away from the vehicle, man, because I'm about to close this video out. But a recap of everything, guys, man. The car was on some wrong springs, so that caused me to believe the knocking noise was all type of things. It could have been anything. I thought it was ball joints all the way down to the tie rods. But long story short, guys, if y'all did not see, I tried my best to give the best in-depth video, guys. I'm outside. I don't have my mic right now. I'm gonna try my best to speak up, guys. But listen, Long story short, I got the right springs on that boy, and the knocking noise is completely gone. If any y'all could talk smack all y'all want, man. I got a lot of free parts out of it, you know. I could show the receipts, control arms, stabilizing bars, the sway bar, bracket pinion. Them all parts I got for free, guys, through my warranty. So at the end of the day, just because me being paranoid, trying to take care of a noise, I fixed it. Hey, so let's go. We back in business. I'm coming back with more content. The next video, guys, man, I'm not gonna like spoil anything, but we're gonna dig into some more things I got in store for the car. I already know, man. But yeah, man, let's go. 38K. If y'all new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Share these videos, guys, man. Go follow me on Instagram. I don't do a lot of TikToking because that's stuff for the kids, man. But yeah, let's go.